And this is not just affecting Apple specifically. You talked about tech in general.
You trying to transition to the next story right now?
Am I?
It's wonderful. You did it so well done. Yes,
well.
Tesla, the other brand, and you could actually just bring up the chart with them because it's a route for Tesla as well. It's the 4th day, longest streak since March. Tesla was on a rampage as well. Give us the 1 month. Give us the year to date. Sure. Look, it looks just like Apple. What does this tell you about the market? Is it a market? Zero in on a particular brand, or it's the exact same pattern and path. Maybe even a little bit more steep in the case of Tesla. Tesla stock $418. We've covered it here as well, how the Tesla rampage seemed unstoppable, but it's the NASDAQ is down, the tech stocks are down, and some investors think, Will, that the tech stocks are the start of a potential tumble for other things. We will see what takes place in the following week, where, of course, it's Friday now. After hours, you got what is the word they use for that? When the market, no, not that. When they're trading, but the market is closed. Not
aftermarket trading.
Is that what they call it, Will?
Hold on.
Will wants to get to the bottom of it. Yeah, maybe it's after. That sounds good. I like it. The regular market trades between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. ET. After hours market trades from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. ET. Yeah, after hours trading. Way to go, Will. You got to love it. Apple fell 1.5% on Friday. Amazon lost 2.1%. Microsoft 1.5%. Alphabet was down 1.7%. Facebook fell 2.6%. And Netflix lost 2.5%. It's just bailing. Let's bail on all of it. Will it level out? It's possible. These are some fancy, high-profile stocks. It sounds great to have those stocks in your portfolio.
Yeah.
Willie Doo's got a little bit of Amazon, a little Microsoft, a little Alphabet. You don't want to lose that, so you can't sell it all. Oh. So we'll see what happens next week, but it is a massive sell-off. It's a lot of volume. And there is some feeling as well. It's important to note, it's not all vapor. It's not all hype. You have unemployment. The world is weird. You have people not working. You have some pretty significant concerns, real concerns. If people are suffering, if people don't have the disposable income, if the economy's not doing well, then it does have to end up somewhere at some point in the stock market, doesn't it? Maybe, eventually. I mean, maybe Amazon's got to bounce back. How else are you going to shop?
Yep.
But anyways, yeah, everything's down for now. It's all down for tech at the moment.